Mi le voter region port didi chomiagbo airport didi chomiagbo aleke mi awachi number 1 yi na be mele chichiu ya nye mi ape mododo agbenu imedi mak blona wonye be nenu yo mele fafia nu yo mele wole moji ele jijona ola jagba be na subscribe bogomia akpo be nu je button je ma won de be subscribe na subscribe ne subscribe wala ke ma nye kulo mi anokame subscription anu evele ne subscribe le wobat ezibat njila aziga viadi gaswema na ziji notification bell zi all ekpo dade bless so be gbesi agbene me ko video kododa we ano YouTube achina we me ko video kododa ta akpamaya me dibe magbona we every ema jagbagba ne no subscribe wala na te wan me bla ehon wewe me pre ehon wewe bless so be o chewa ko o prosusu cover moji wa ko wo pe to cover moji plus susu be mi anon soro aha ta akpamaya okay agbenu imede mi akpo nye be me kpo comment de yi tonyo nlon kododa alo mi nlon kododa mcho mi ape ebe question be nukata mi awola mele chichi mo alo voter regime mele developing mo mele ngogbe po eve me nukata mele ngogbe po ekpo dade vo mena undodo soere ya enyo be ma ba data ba biama na mesia mene se gome banto ya nye be afi edu na chire le ya me akpa de sia de le industry ya lo edo ya nana be edu china edo ya gome nye be buy and sell egbon la siwe alo barter trade mi no wo chade komi atogbe wo vo educhi emi no Egypt na educhi barter trade no miasi nemi kwa akpama ko dadede industry wa we no miasi ya tamite unchi na ekpo history me de Egypt me do kono anyi po edude sia de ke chide factory play industry wa we na eduochi magade gogo mene makpo be definition ka uko na educhichi alo a country no be country chi de definition ka uko ne nemi atwe kwe cho akpama babia yo bia menye be nukata voter regime le developing mo mele chichiu voter regime nukata lebe nukata onyebe voter regime le gbegledeji ma han definition le nyonfo nji abe a developed country also called an industrialized country. Definition nam le Google has a mature and sophisticated economy, usually measured by gross domestic product (GDP) and / average income per resident. Le Google developed countries have advanced technological infrastructure and have diverse industrial and service sectors. Okay. Industrial and service sectors. Service ape enyame glole marketing side. Service center makpo ebe plumber, mechanic, bede yo no miasivai, steel benders we. Wa le service render nami. Vonobe industry de. Anya ame yo le nu yo mati wan wo la feme ame kuyo ame tomati wan wo, for example aluminium, for example electrical cables, for example mi le poden wo yolo poden wo anya agbledede fe machine wo mi try, for example industry wheelbarrow gbalo fe wo klachere industry onye. Okay. Mi le voter region port didi chomiagbo airport didi chomiagbo aleke mi awachi number 1 yi na be mele chichiu anye mi ape mododo number 1 yi na be mele chichiu le voter region anye mi ape mododo. The roads are not good for even food product to transfer to the city. be mi akonu dudu gbalo cho voter region ko ide Accra de agbaya onyenami ta number 1 mi ape nu gbanto yile mi awule voter region eyanyem mi ape mododo no viyen ne va mojide comment ya togbe ya mele didi ma no hoho ema problem a osugbo vo ma te wan lede ya mele chichina we bede jidudu wa wenya mia wula we le voter region mia fe duklo la we de wa wenya mia wala we ya ta me nlo le comment ya tebe e wona ma be national cake do mele manuede o vono le manuede de ke ma mia fe politician we ameka omi ko dade ngogbe be no vai wodo anami e mododo gbalo enye problem le voter region stability of light enye problem le voter region voriva vota chovai tanovien ne va mojide e georginam no commenti na mi akpobele ke mi awachi okay mi anovia globe anyobe ameyo le gbeji no gbova afe ne wa va invest nyate pe onye mi agbova afe mi ava invest mi gbova afe ne mi ava invest machi nyade na wele investment pakpaji e honyu gede yo le diaspora de ona me nyabe ne you are invest la crack why because the Accra itself is industrialized city. Ekpeda de ta industry mi le yoyo de. E ya mi le gbogbo be de jidudu e ya wo industry gba factory de kemele mi asi le voter region. Ya ta me na apado. Factory de kemele mi asi le voter region. Ye me nya factory na na imate wan yo. Ya wa be wan employ America o. Awu ole wole yovo de call mi ava obloni wa o. Watchi ole wale vote de call vava America mi amenene industry de leke mi awe I establish ami ele popo ma dovu ma gba idro agbacho Accra afima cover at least government ne hu depot dewe iron rod depot ma nyebere nye akonye oga akova iwile voter region aw cement factory ode o ma ti wan wile voter region papa de kewa building materials what do mati wan factory na hama wo dede gbalo le voter region na nyeme ka acho every nyeme nya eni imite no ko nya agbele nuclear pacha crocodile cutlass e ya pacha Accra ole kokocho ko le vava me bo le wala Accra kwache de government ne wu depot wo eni a fait depot plastique a fait depot nuka aluminium a fait depot no vous depot where la voter region ekema people who want to invest will take it easy at least government subsidy me have transportation tax depot bien se be tax depot na le ho wa me na le hohwe wa me na le pando so who is coming to invest? That is where the problem is. A country that is developed is industrialized country. Hey, I'm Agbonawe. Tane, the country is not developed. How can we invest in much? Me check, for example, I invest a hotutume. Imagine the cost of building. Nena chinam. Amekuwa mevedo le investment wo le guest house, hotel, that is not enough because we need very industrialized country. Afimi ati wan iji. Elego misinam le mi here industrialized country. Afimi ati wan chi. Ta tefe develop a town that is industrialized. Fuma na kpobe investment wa chile yata voter region le chichio. Fifi ami ato le gbogbo cho yo vode. America ole gbogbo obe return. Slave ole gbogbo va be mi ato yo va chi gbe mo le gbogbo va de. No vinye de keme kpo da for voter region lo. E ya machi na we. De keme kpo da for voter region. De keme kpo susube ya va voter region because all the industrial businesses are in the city. Tane megalek blomaga bleke our government, our representative in the government sectors aren't helping. Omelek pepede unamiu. No banto imebia if only they can fix the bad roads in Volta region, we will be okay. We will start. Let us start from there. No light balo no stable. Ekpa. Any yole wala ka hey factory o make ton le Volta region. No lobby. Let government open depots. Depot no we. Man yebe amekuwa metode akọ cooperative. Ye wa akọ gade cover dey na de me wa platform twa akra cover code hube mi no jajira aw. No phone na government mat one factory out there na mo no podo no wo there no depot we na depot at least na employer amekuwa metode. It is then that we can start. Other than that la mi ame yo mi la mo di nova odo anami de agbede la o mi nye. Enye teacher, how do you think you can invest? Mi ame to mi ame ne mi akoga ko fufu afa mi akpo susu be okay mi de mi awo asi chacha de. And all anye benuka mi afle na de abajira. Is that investment? You call it investment? For me, I don't. Menyemele kpo be investment yo. Be ko oga cover ile na de buy and sell day. I don't buy that idea. Maybe factory will no bu. Assemble phone balo no assemble phone we le Ghana. Assemble techno me short techno ole assemble le Ghana. So that the youth can get job to do. Aha. That akpama nyima ponu sugbo topic. This is a very good topic. In fact, novinye jagba comment in kodo da jagba. Nu kata voter regimele chicho anyeme kwema. Nu evelia yimi la fado. Yinyeme la fado le moji anyebe the concept of going to go and work on gold after life. Yinye subo yo cover nami. Bene kuvode aba izole sikajide. Match now you don't know the gravity of it. Ena amegedomi le hiamelo, but the mind is close. We are not thinking far. We are not thinking for the generations. Magade sol me home ma imaba idogbe. Ma ba iduwe ma jogana pastor konema gbova pe menyemegbe oyide soleme. Vomi bere. You need to take the concept, the fake concept of ide ne kuvo na ide juma vome ne kuvo na iva izole si kajide de dane na invest la gbe ya me mega jawo kisno no dede jipo aw. Stop saving in heaven and save on earth. Stop saving in heaven and save on earth. America me vai tuko, America me hesu ku fe le kuode, America me desro le kuode Yesu Christo bloy. Here is where you have the responsibility. Tana nye minister, enye nuka ele jidudu fe monu. Mebede, mi kpobele ke mi ape duode achi. You need to do, the government need to do first before we can industrialize ourselves, before we can invest. You just put your eye. Amenene yo gbocho America. Obe yo le gbocho yo gbocho Denmark, o gbocho o gbocho France, Europe. Amenene va voter rejibe yaba invest. Menye na ba to guest house wa me ku me vel. Me ya mile yo be investment to aw. That is personal investment. Akpede miaw. Ya menya be me ku me vedo lewo. But that is not good enough. Me denamio jidudu ode. Maybe fix good roads and make good policy. Bene mo gbele de wa ba jira modo. Whether NPP or NDC, government should make good policy. Whether NPP or NDC, ne mo gbele ko no jiredo. Yata Ghana mele chichio. Ne jidu ne NDC wo mo de. MPP be imagine do e ata voter ji gbele va sedegbe Na NDC wanada de never say much de it is for NDC, it is not. So one of the things new you na new you got madam ben mele chichiore anye politics, and it is one of the major key to our downfall, the voter region politics. Bon, let me get you made corruption, let me actually me corruption. Lawyer ole me, ole teho, le bon ho le dudu. Politician ole me, ole Ghana gadu. Yata me china we, begbe siagbe mi ano, mi afo ya mi ano gbogbobe, mi ano swear in the Bible, pray Quran de dede. Sigbe kuano mi afi because they don't fear death. What politician we de, omele joma vo pe nkume po awo. Ewo ile gbogbo lasime ile gbogbo pe o pe tomato le tare. Ewo le fofo na joma vo, tasi fofo na joma vo. Tasi ngbe dodo ma o do na obe na ba izole jifo awo. Live a good life on earth and save on earth and stop saving in heaven. Me bia dagbe na we. No vi lon lo we. Mega ngbo subscribe. Na ma video akpa me no vi. Be na mi di be mi a chi de mi di be voter region enyore. Amo wa gbobo ava invest na jidudu wo basic infrastructure. Na jidudu bu factory o de afa amo wa ava invest. Amedebe ava bu glass factory aluminium industry. Jidudu ajebe wa bu factory gba na wa no aluminium manufacture alo wa bu depot de hapa me that one invest le aluminium me bia dagba na we mi ano kame.